want to prepare. Nanga very easy, prepare. If you want to marry back with a woman, prepare. You want to prepare. Eat manambusa, prepare. Anywhere you go to marry the woman, it is the same enjoyment and the same trouble. Countryman, countrywoman, today we go talk about Hospital La Cantini. That means La Cantini Hospital. We go talk about Samuel Eto'o fees. We go talk also about what Jeremy Sorenjita we one court book. We go give una now classification for MTN Elite 1. And then we'll tell una to program them. We go take place this Sunday. Countryman, countrywoman, I hope say una dey fine. They play una dey una nan correct. They can't go away for the can't go away. For the way the thing go look, for the way we go look. I know say it surely the work are fine for any player una dey now. I talk say Tori go be. Tori start with wetin? May start with Ndamba or may start with Hospital Nkini. We go for Hospital Nkini. Wetin happen for Hospital Nkini? Some rumor. It talk say for that side for Hospital Nkini for Douala, fire don't catch a burn that picking their hospital way. Eto'o fees bill for that La Cantini hospital or picking their own department. We bill for the way they call us say for big friends say pavilion Samuel Eto'o fees. That way investigation continue. The thing turn where it turn the way we go turn for see what na true the thing happen. Now we go understand and say na big lie. Say nothing no happen with pavilion Samuel Eto'o fees for La Cantini hospital. Excuse for other place born for day. We never get the news independently. Now grandma what talk about. That way the why there see there. You say we never get them independently. Why the year now they just say on a Pidgin that on a big grammar because independently so they enter there. If you understand no, the conjugation for the li and the continuity grammar lewa. Countryman, countrywoman. So now the two way pass for that side. For l'hôpital l'hôpital ouais correct fine no l'hôpital that hospital for that's what happen for the my people. Tori day this time around how I tell una so this time we will continue to start with Ndamba Palaba. We remain for Palaba Eto'o fees there for that side for Paraguay. Wetin dey happen for Paraguay? You don't go now for assist for the 75th Congress for FIFA. 74th be na for that side for Thailand or Bangkok. Now 75th it dey now for Paraguay. Eto'o they see better plenty picture of the Kalisha Baya, former Zambian legend or if it's Zambian legend, former player for the Zambian national team, the KK11. When I remember that Zambian, their story way, they want to play African Nations Cup, their plane get crashed. Karusha Boyano died because nobody for that plane. If we take a plane for come out for country, we play for England, for come for that competition. So it's been a very big thing happen for them. They lost people. So Karusha Boyana, he too don't be present for federation before the movie, but they don't be talk with the Tiwaka, the way the Tiwaka, now so all them two, they smile. Karusha Baya with Samuel Eto'o fees. Now best strikers in that for Africa. Africa is there for be proud for all this picking them. And then the Congress of FIFA will continue for that side for Paraguay. And Samuel Eto'o, it represents the Cameroon Football Federation because I be Oga Kwata for Cameroon Football Federation. We now understand the thing now. The way I talk about the way the thing will be now same we now understand them. I also don't understand them. Another story, na seweti countryman, countrywoman. I don't think understand more remember for that side we talk about Namano. Yes. Jeremy Sorenjita with Sinafok. They don't talk say they don't vacate. The vacate already. For Sika say fecafoot don't withdraw their paper wey be make them say they been a member for fecafoot. So fecafoot don't talk say I take my paper back. I don't want to say me wanna be member for fecafoot again. Now They don't go to follow the matter. They don't do all things to take out tomorrow. It never work out. Now what happen? All man no say never work out. Wasika weti. Wasika say CCA talk say the way fecafoot for eto'o move that agreement. It correct. Say no be na any other way they will do another way that way they be supposed to move that agreement. We don't talk so the matter would look at a small. Now so Njitap and a lawyer them, they don't go meet up for that side for Yasa, for headquarter, for Sinafok, when a syndicate for footballer them. Lawyer for Njitap and Sinafok talk say they will win in Daniel Goss. Daniel Goss is secretary general and then lawyer too. So Daniel Goss don't make so outing with their lawyer. Daniel Goss say secretary general say they must win their procedure. But true, when I see normal way one go court, where it just go lost. Especially when I understand people they go court where they know say they go win, they go do all things and them go win that thing. Now so they always be with some of our people then. But now reality for the court, it make any man understand say this so palava court no mean a bro. No mean a palava don't talk plenty. No, palava court now mulo countryman. I will not to say Jeremy Sorenjita and his syndicate. They don't move to communicate where they talk say that they wait say me CCA notify them for which it don't pass. Because all man knows CCA don't tell them say una wrong. So if they go now, if Njitap go now for task, may member say different people they don't drink tea for that place where they call and say Switzerland for task. Jibeka G. Abdurrahman Amadou, Gibai Gaitama. So other president of a club, they don't jonti with the Samuel Eto'o and then they see owe money for bread. You understand no? In a figure of speech. So very soon, if they in Njitap go there, if you know, no surprise. Say the next the thing I say they'll ask them they pay money for fecafoot and then they pay for Samuel Eto'o because they carry that people they go before for no just reason. Now so it dey because for country, if you do fine thing or you want side to work correctly, you go get people the way they go to fight too. They go make coup de poing. Badaba coup de poing. Tu. Dabada coup de poing. Tu. Atache la. That one Alpha Blondie for Côte d'Ivoire. We know for Nagda Mutombo. So the wait. When Njitap got booked for fecafoot, for that side for TAS and the lawyer and secretary and already talk say they go win. They no win for Cameroon for CCA. They want to go win for TAS. Okay. We go wait and then we go see them. That's all the thing they countrywoman. Tori day. Like that's not saying now story again. Plenty Tori day. More give now that classification. We'll talk about Ndamba Palaba. People don't want to do Ndamba na sense. I'm talking from Ndamba na sense too. Now we but we get it we. When no information we nigga young man information when that's so the thing they. So we go talk about it classification for the 23rd day of play for MTN Elite 1. The 23rd day of play, Canon Sportif or Cotton Sport for Garoua play against Union Sportif for Douala. Cotton Sport win 1-0. Gazelle for Garoua play against Stade Rennais for Melon. Gazelle lost 0-2 in favor of Stade Rennais. Aigle for Royal for Mongo, a win. AS Fortuna 1-0. Dynamo for Douala. Victoria United, now they will go the entire 4 for Dynamo, 2 for Victoria United. Arsenal for Douala, 0, 1 for Colombe for Ja Erobo. Young Sport Academy absent against 4th Azure Elite. So 4th Azure Elite get 3 points. PWD for Bamenda, 1. Canon Sportif for Yaoundé, 0. Bambutu Sombo Unda, 2. Panther for Nde 0. Bamutu will go, it can go for before, for back. For before, for back. And at the end, Bamutu just say, okay, we'll be there. So, the tentative classification, well, will not be not the final one, no, that's what I mean. First position, Colombo for Jai Lobo, 56 points. Second position, Gazelle for Garoua, 45 points. Third position, Cotton Sport for Garoua, 43 points. Fourth position, Panther Fonde, 38 points. Fifth position, Fifth Azul Elite for Yaoundé, 34 points. 34 points again, Execo, now Victoria United. And then Canon Sportif for Yaoundé, in the number 7, 32 points. We get Stade Renard, 9 points, 9 positions, sorry, with 31 points. And then the Zast for Douala, let me say, Star for Douala, the winner, the gainer, sorry, they for, they don't change it in the 1, 8, 1 and 9, okay. 9 Fekam 4, 8, all the same. Now fecafoot publisher, so 29 points. PWD for Bamenda, he get 28 point, 10 position. 11 position, Dinamo for Douala, 27 point. Number 12, Aigle Royal for Mongo, 26 point. One day when they for that zone, they feel goal, second division. Now AS Fortuna, Bamutu Sombuda, and Union Sportif for Douala, not forgetting Young Sport Academy. Now the classification that for all the match for the 23rd day where we play for MTN Elite 1. We go knock another Tori Day, country people. The Tori way day na program for match where it come up this weekend. Yes. For Stem Bless Media. You don't like Tron letter. The letter Tron Pascaso. It talk for the letter say le secrétaire général de conseil transitoire de football professionnel CTFP informe les parties concernées et le public sportif que les matchs de la 24e, 24e journée de championnat professionnel MTN Elite 1 Salon sportif, saison sportive 2024-2025 et continue. That's what it is. So, it talk about program for match them. My translator for people who don't understand them. It ran a Trump French. It's a program for match for the 24th day. They don't come out. Now, everybody talk up. For don't talk as so some stuff with me, Oma understand the thing. You go begin talk long French. You say now, Oma will go for Lewa. For Sunday, the 18th of May, what will happen? Which match go play am? Start Renard from Buddha for 13 hours 30. That means 1:30 p.m. PWD for Bamenda, the welcome ask for Douala na for Buddha will play. 3:30 p.m. Bambutus from Buddha, they play Cotton Sport for Garoua for Buddha for the second match. And then for Centenary Stadium for Limbe, which one did they play? Now the question when I was already asked myself, when I asked me, Senator, now what did they play for Limbe? For Limbe at 3:30, Victoria United they play against Gazelle FR Academy. That's what it is. For Stade Militaire, that's a military stadium for Yaoundé. For 3 p.m., 4th Azul Elite for Yaoundé, they play against Aigle Royal for Mongo. And then for 5 p.m., Canon Sportif for Garoua, for Yaoundé, sorry. Canon Sportif for Yaoundé, they play against Colombo for Ja and Lobo. And then for Melon Stadium, which is happen for day, 3:30 p.m., Stade Renard for Melon, they play against Dinamo for Douala. And then for Wednesday, 21st of May, this same year, which did it take place from Bonamusa Stadium? 3:30 p.m. Union Sportif for Douala will play against Panther Fonde. And then for the next one, stadium for Omisport, number 1 stadium annex. 3:30 p.m. AS Fortuna will play against Young Sport Academy. Young sport go small, so we go enter departmental league, because if you go, play 3 times, you will not come, relegation will come, the committee will knock on a stick for a skin. So I would say young sport will get their small finances for play the different encounter. And they do that for 25th, how they call them, 25th day of play, where they don't send them forward. Yeah, they will play them before the other 25th day they come. For the 21st, when the 21st now, after 20 May, when I understand now, yes, for Centenary Stadium, Victoria United will play Cotton Sport. Because Cotton Sport will come over that side for West Region, just pass, go one time for Limbe, instead of go back and then begin come back. Now I understand the thing. And then for Stadium from Buddha, Bamatus from Buddha will play against Gazelle. Gazelle will just remain for this side, continue for play the match. I think that the reason that way, CTFP and fecafoot, they come to an agreement, say make the club the way they need, make they advance their own day, because they go, they come, it'll be very, very difficult. Now so idea, all they sing the two, they sing we talk the two, they talk when they like now so they understand, and then now so they continue, because now they give you the energy day to the day. Countryman, countrywoman. Another story way day. Na say minister. And talk no me I talk o. Na people they talk outside, they take am for day for continue for do the two and they do am for day. So he talk say wetin minister for promotion for family. He don't talk say he condemn with the last energy, countryman, countrywoman, which way Papa for Lidol, he do am. He don't write strong book. That book we write now for strong à France tout. Et talk say, j'ai appris avec moi le maître de Jean Matisse, AJ, de 6 ans au domicile familial dans des circonstances troubles et lâcheté en cruauté par un voisin. Ce crime audio intervient au moment où le Cameroun apprête à joindre à la communauté internationale pour célébrer la journée internationale des familles pour le 15 mai et la journée des enfants africains le 6 mai. The two way talk about it, my own friend and for ya. Now say they understand the violence so that Papa use for go take knife, kill Pidgin. And then he don't give number. Say any people really be that kind of difficulty. Me if he call you, governor will try for accompany them, because that crime is some very hideous crime where that Papa commit and will take long knife, chuka its Pidgin throat, cut her all, chuka and cut her all, cut his hand. Now wonderful thing, that Pidgin no ask no nothing, that Pidgin no do no nothing. He get problem with Pidgin Papa. You want to fight with him, strong pass you go take a knife, go enter your house. Begin choke people for day. If you big see all that Pidgin, so tell me, say don't come kwara na 3. It's na only one. Na 3 waka kwara, it's na only one. Why? Obviously, justice go follow it, cause how a minister they don't start enter inside. Countryman, Tori day. Una know no, plenty Tori day, because time for Tori, na time for Tori. What happen for that side for Beto'o? So another man don't take his hand, cover him, knock the woman inside, pam. This happen for Monday. So tell the woman die for Beto'o reference hospital. Now so he passed for that side. The guy named na Onela Fambu, 28 years. We imasa domo isote ikwara. I hope say they go catch or they don't catch that man. And then I hope say they no go talk say may pay 52,000 and then he go for outside go be next time go knock another woman broke arm or knock another woman kwarai. Now that time we go take it put her for prison before. No. Any man will pay for a crime. People don't get for the height, the dodosh, we don't commit crime. You don't reach for play with the strong person. If you give me can say you need a reason well. They say I hate them correct. They are hate them correct, they know what they do. They're just barbaric people, eh? Very, very barbaric. Countryman, Tori Day. Another Tori, na say wetin. The story na say, gendarme them for that side for New Bell. They don't put their hand for some remedy them. Where they say cure. Now then the panka, give me tongue. I did knock my head. Hey, give me tongue, give me tongue, give me tongue, give me tongue. They catch that remedy them. They catch some repair them too. They catch some perica them inside. All of them, 26 people. 10, 20, 26 people. Where they say the panka. Gendarme don't follow them for share New Bell. Siam. They say that one they call say stone. They say that one they call say the panka 80. And then they catch them to it about 351,000. And then someone with the computer, that means as coming plus selling of the panka where they join together, where they get it to on the same so. Hey! So that the panka they come out. Who say all the drug they come out for enter country? Now the question what would they ask them that? If you know maybe say it is so, say the thing they so, it go be so, where they for the way it look like say, and some of these people they make a say, they make a say, where they make a medicine enter for co, the man will understand now why it enter co and then how it enter co, now the thing that we want know. So that one for that group, they don't pum, they don't chop pum. My food, wait your chop and not give you they don't chop them, they go them. But no dangia. On a they take cure. On a they take the panka, on a they mix them. On a make people them. Even powder too. I see one and two, they catch some powder. That's how they put up. We understand. That's all day. Tori day. Tori. Now was some Frenchman. We na film director, na actor too. They call it say Gérard Depardieu. Gérard Depardieu, they don't marry prison condemnation at them for it. 18 months for prison with the that what they call say prison that means say you don't go prison, but for 18 months anything what you do we wrong for any place they take you first, you go prison, go make 18 months. I'm not sure say you go reach that time because you know do that one because you go just take care for yourself. It is 76 years today. They accuse you for doing it. Say for 2021, if they shoot some film and then some guy every day he go begin touch their backside. It touch their backyard for talk say la beauté de beauté, tu es la beauté de beauté pour le moi. Je me suis dit que quand tu es beauté comme ça, tu veux me faire la beauté parce qu'il faut que la beauté. That gonna wait 1 year pass, 2 years pass, 3 years pass, 4 years pass, 5 years, and then they come again talk now say it will make attouchement for me. Okay, countryman more remain for France. What happened for France? Na palava cinema. That festival for Cannes for France. They don't talk say say for red carpet. They no one see no person where he dress, it show his skin, it show a boogie for outside, it show a backside for outside, it show all his skin then so they see even he draws. They no want that one the year again. They no want that for Cannes for that festival. Men no man no come for red carpet with almost half naked. They go say you may come out, they no go take you. So now so organizer them for this French festival, French film festival can idon tori. So now other that where they pass. Another tori, yes, tori day. What happen? Some small guy, some young guy, na pikin self. A name na Bomo Priska. He don't go for do sport for ride the probatoire. If you then some class where they call say premier A4 German. Now for the college they call say barré for Baturi. So for Monday, he go do sport, gymnastic. He don't finish do all thing. And then he salo jury. He want just see crap, he fall for down. They want see crap, they take it go for Warapita. They want see crap, na so he die for Warapita. No man no they understand. He parents they say he come out house, he no begin no malaise. If they good form, they salute them, they give money for transport, they give all thing, he don't go in. He finish do sport before he tumble, he fall down, and then as I tell una today, so he on finish countryman, countrywoman. Bema, Asia, I don't say easy. Man, no one know that kind of thing, so he go just talk it on say easy, then you no go understand the implication. Now we finish with the story, countryman, countrywoman. Story day. Story na say wetin. Story na say so woman when I marry woman oh, hey nyoko kiai, hey nyoko. That marry woman wetin he do? So man tell you say cher coco je t'aime de toi. Il tell the man say moi-même je pensais pour le t'aimer de toi. Voilà. So tout t'aimer de toi, it don't be what t'aimer de toi, they can't join it. That man now is start begin yai more. The man say he want marry tea. A girl go prepare with some friend them. They go receive the man for some house. They say na knock door. The man pay all thing. Where between the line, the man to be the pay transport, pay jange for that woman. All that kind of thing for that kind of thing them. It don't reach now where the man say okay, may they go marry now normally. The woman only make tonton. Now for Douala here where it pass the matter as I tell una so they for gendarmerie. It can't go court. The woman tonton the man. The woman don't tire. The man just go court book for gendarmerie. Say me the woman give back all the money. If money from Jange will be the play. Me the woman give the money back. Now right time way, I fait go badger. I fait badger for badgerebang. De badgerisation à de badgerisation de badgerement. Voilà. Et dit ça no. We know that thing. Now just say c'est nous qui laisse. How he pass, how he go. Now the thing that we go ask ourselves, we go answer them. As you are the top for una so, the woman, we get no choice than for inform Imasa. Imasa na come for gendarmerie, he can discover that matter. Hey, he put hand for head saying nyoko kiai. He cry. The woman don't take that man plenty money. When you marry, tell man say you marry, you hide them because hey. So when I go back the money, I go ngata o. The matter there for gendarmerie, for Douala.